Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to hide your personal files on your Android device. So to hide the files guys, we are going to use one of the best application, FilesGo application. If you don't have Google FilesGo application, so first of all you need to download and install it. So go to the Google Play Store and here you need to search Files by Google and you need to download and install this file manager. I have already installed it. Okay, after this guys, just open the file manager app on your phone and slightly scroll down. Here you can get the one option, save folder. Just tap on it. First you need to configure this folder. Just you need to set the pattern or password on the save folder. After this guys, now your folder was ready to use. So to hide your personal files, just you need to select that files. For example, I want to hide this IDEO file. Just select that IDEO file. After selecting, here you can get three dots. Just tap on it and here you can get the option move to save folder. You need to select that option. After this guys, this file will move to your save folder. So whenever you want to access this file, so you need to enter the password on that folder. After this guys, you can easily able to access this particular file on your phone. So this is the very easy and very simple method to hide your personal files on your Android phone. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.